So I'm going to show you how to do stem stitch. To do stem stitch, bring your needle up from behind, don't forget to fasten your thread on, and create a small stitch on the surface of your fabric. And stem stitch is a linear stitch, which means when you've finished it, you'll be working in a line. And just before you pull your thread all the way back through, bring your needle back up again, halfway along that first stitch. So you're going ever so slightly back on yourself, and then you're bringing your needle up halfway along. And you keep repeating this. So for every stitch forward, there's a little bit of overlap with your previous stitch. Or not pulling your thread all the way through means that you can see precisely where you want to bring your needle back up. And you'll notice the second time you do this, it's actually the same place that your first stitch finished. So that gives you a really good guide. And you want to keep each of your stitches roughly the same length, because that keeps the work looking really even and tidy. And so you just keep going like this, and you can start to see that this is building up a nice textured line. It's a bit more complicated than backstitch, but it creates a much nicer finish, and that's stem stitch.